What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of SMTV. This is the show where we talk about problems related to productivity. So, in today's episode, we are going to deal with how to stay focused. Yeah, we're going to deal with related to how we can stay focused. So, focusing nowadays is becoming really hard because due to this whole COVID situation, we are staying at home, and our home is one of the biggest distraction centers. If you ask me how, it is because we are staying at home. We are with our phones and laptops and all sort of things, and one more thing is that you are studying where many of your family members are there, like your siblings, your parents are there, and there's a whole lot of noise. So that is why I call my home as a distraction center. So now, after 1 year of lockdown in our country, I have pretty much came to know how to deal with procrastination and how to stay focused. So, without any further ado, let's start the video. First, get bored. You'll be thinking why I am saying you to get bored. So, by getting bored, what I mean is get rid of mobile. Yeah, I'm saying you to get rid of mobile phone. So, mobile phone is a kind of device which can be very helpful and which can be really distractive. So, before say 6 months, what I was doing is I would scroll through social media, like I would scroll through internet and social media for like hours and hours, and I would not realize the time I have spent in going through the internet and procrastinating. But recently I tried an experiment. So what's the experiment is that I only looked at my phone for about 30 minutes a day, and I did this for a month. Yeah, basically a month. So first what would happen is I would really feel like I want to see my phone, I want to check my phone. Are there any messages? Are there any emails which I got from my institution? So, but after a week or so, I was able to focus. Yeah, really, I was able to focus on my studies, and yeah. And one thing I forgot to say is during the 30 minutes, what would I do is in that 30 minutes, I can do anything I want. I can check my social medias, I can call my friends, I can listen to music, whatever I wanna do. And but after 30 minutes, I was not allowed to check my phones, and that brought a change in my life. I was able to focus more on my studies. After a week, I was able to study with ease, I was able to focus with ease. So the three things that I was able to get from focusing, from losing my phone, was the first thing was I was able to achieve so much in a day. I was able to complete many tasks in a day. Like I was able to, one day I was able to complete 2 or 3 chapter of, say, yeah, it was biophysics and chemistry. Yeah, I was able to complete all one chapter in all the 3 subjects, and for me that was really great because I was able to only complete 1 chapter a day. But now, after eliminating my mobile phone, I was able to focus so much that I was able to complete 3 chapters a day. And now, in fact, I am able to complete 4 to 5 chapters a day, and which is really, really good for me. And I think it's really helpful for me. And yeah, one more thing I was able to get is I was able to plan a lot efficiently, and I was able to focus on my studies, and I was able to follow my timetable really nicely. Because first, what's written on my timetable I was not able to follow because I used to check my phones a lot, and I would scroll through social media a lot. And I also got ideas for my YouTube channel when I was able to focus here. And I was able to write somewhat good scripts. And yeah, that are the things which we can get from just eliminating one single thing in our life. I was on, and I'm not saying to eliminate completely. I just used my phone for 30 minutes and a day, and you can see this is the thing or the result that I got. And for me it's really great. And now I am just thinking one more thing, that how to get rid of this my small beast. But due to online classes I am not able to get rid. But as soon the online classes get over, I or everything offline would start, I will slowly get rid of this also. And yeah, and one more thing, in this I am only using specific apps only, which are good for my productivity. Like one is Notion, and one is Teams, Microsoft Teams, which I use for my school. And these are the things which I use on my laptop currently, because I want to focus more on my studies currently. And yeah, I have future plans of starting my own website, which will take some time, because at this point of time I have a lot to study, and that I'll talk in some other video. So, after you have learned how to focus, the next step is how to prioritize your tasks. Because if you don't, if you don't know how to prioritize your tasks, you will waste a large amount of time thinking what to do. So, what you can do is take a to-do list, uh, and whatever task you have, just prioritize them in such a way that the most important task, from most important task to the least important task. So in that, you have to firstly do the most important task. And if the time if you have time left, you can do the, say, non-important task. So yeah, that was the thing that I wanted to say. And one more thing I want to add is, don't study in larger chunks, take breaks. And if you have a big task, cut it in a way that break it down into smaller chunks, so that you could study with a full focus. And yeah, that was all for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, please hit the bell notification, like the video, and comment down in the video. And till then, this is Uday Singh signing out. Peace.